Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see that how to create this type of navbar with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, a little JavaScript. Okay. Only to add the class for this toggle. So let's get started. So here on the HTML file we are just taking the new tag, and in this you are taking UL tag in this li and a tag. Let's say first is home and same like. Let's say we have five element, and on the last element we are not just adding the a tag. Instead we are just adding drop down. So for that drop down we will require evil tag in the for that. So here we are again taking, let's say utilize these tags. Okay, let's say place media and portfolio. Okay, now for starting we just star to reset the default styling. We are just heading box, heading border box, margin 0 and padding 0, and on new tag we will just on new and GUL we will make it display flex because we have to show side by side. Let's say we open with the live server. So here currently our neighbor is looking like this. So now we are just making it nav a display inline block. Now it will look like this. Padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, and let's say reset it this list styling. List style none. So now what we are going to do. So let's first make it background purple. So here new background purple, and a should be color white, and to remove this underline we are just applying the text decoration none. Okay, and also we have to do some padding. Let's say padding we have 20 pixel. Now it's looking like this. Let's change the font size also. Body font family sans serif. So it's looking like this now. Now mm, now we have to style this. So if we have ul inside the li, then we will hide it to make it drop down. So now if li has ul, let's make it position absolute, and let's make li position relative. Press media portfolio. Press media portfolio is still, it is still in line. So what we have to do, if you this flex direction should be column. So now position absolute and top will be 100%. Okay. Now on hover of this last item, let's uh, give it class name as class dropdown, and let's say dropdown. Now we have to display the dropdown when we hover on this item. Okay. So for that we are just doing if li on hover of li drop down will be um, okay. It's also this background inherit from parent. So you can see it's appearing here. So it's coming up here, and here let's say we have here going more. So now what we are doing, mm, on hover of this we will make it make it position absolute and top from 0, and it should be visible. Okay. So let's say background, make it background. Okay. So on hover, its background should be inherit. Let's say purple. Okay. Let's coming like this. Let's say make its cursor is pointer. So li cursor should be pointer. Now cursor will be like a thumb icons. So now whenever we have add some transition effect. So whenever we hover on this, the drop down should pop up. So initially its opacity will be 0, and when we hover opacity will be 1, and top will be 100, top will be 120%, and when we hover, let's say top 100%, and let's give it some transition so that it's move smoothly. Now when we hover, this coming like this, but here the effect is different. What it is coming from the top, okay? It is coming from top. So what we have to do, initially it will be 90%, and then what will be 100%. Now in this case, what happens? This will be like this. So now it will transit like this. And when we hover, when we are hovering on this, the body background should be something opaque, okay, like this. When we are hovering this, the body background is changed to the black. So we are going to make it. So what we want to do, if body has alive hover, what we have to do, if body has alive hover, then we want to add before, and its content will be blank, height will be 100%, width will be 100%. Now let's make it height 100 bh, and it's 100 word width. Its background will be something black, GBA 0. Let's say 7. So let's see what happens. Okay, so let's make it position as absolute top 0. We can, we are not going to do this. So let's say what's, where is the or before element. So when we hover on this, the before element will be added, okay, but its position, the black background position is overriding the header element. So what we do, header jet index will be higher. We have to make jet index higher of the jet index 2. Now what happens, okay, and its jet index will be jet index 1. So what, why is happening like this? It's because what's flickering, let's say we will hover which has only the drop down code. If it has drop down element, li has drop down element, then only we will make it, it will be active, okay. So if body has li, that's good, but we want to only apply if the li has, if we has li has dot top down, and this is going to hover. Okay, then also if this also, then we had this completed. For the transition effect we can do another thing, like body has, if a body has li, let's say class name more, when we hover on the more, then it will be added. Okay, as more or then it will be added. But why it's flickering?